Today, we're installing Python and running a little sample code, because who doesn't love Python, right? Let's dive in. Step 1, browser time. Open your browser. I'm using Chrome, but hey, any will do, even Internet Explorer if you're feeling risky. Type Python in Google and hit enter like a boss. Step 2, Python's home sweet home. Look for the official site. Yep, python.org for it. Click it like it owes you money. Step 3, download Python 3.12.6. Hover over downloads and grab the latest version, 3.12.6. It's only 25 megabytes, basically like downloading one meme. Wait a second. Done? Awesome. Step 4, launch it. Right-click that shiny new exe file and hit open. Don't worry, no secret viruses here. Minimize the chaos, the browser. Step 5, install wizardry. Okay, time to cast some installation spells. Check admin privileges. You're the boss here. Add Python to path. Yes, very important. This is how Python knows where it lives. Hit customize installation. Don't touch a thing. Everything's already perfect. Pip, idle, they're all good to go. Step 6, advanced magic. Click advanced options like you're hacking into the Matrix. Spoiler, you're not. Choose install for all users because sharing is caring. Hit install and wait. Grab a snack. Python's almost in your system. Step 7, celebrate. Installation complete. You're a tech wizard now. Click close and let's check if Python made it home. Step 8, verify the magic. Go to the start menu and search for command. Open it up and type bash python-version. Boom, Python's alive and kicking. Now time to run some code, but that's for another day. High five, you did it. Stay awesome, keep coding.